Yo, it's Kevin Trades. This is my weekly recap and outlook for DAX, the German index. So let's just get straight into it. As you can see, this is the weekly candle. It was a bullish week. We opened at around 2460 and closed at 24200. If I just go into the daily, you can get a bit of an idea. Bullish, bearish, bullish, bullish, and then bearish. But before I break this down further, first things first, go look at the news. We had news on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Rent folder at 1:30 p.m. CPI, PPI, and core retail sales and unemployment claims at 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So we're gonna have to look out for that. But yeah, so last weekly recap and outlook, I did say I wanted buys below here, and this was my drawn liquidity. As you can see, it got swept. Coming into Monday, let's just see what happened. London session, we got down, touched my line. Pretty much gave equal lows, but I can tell we tapped the OTE of that, and then just expanded. But we definitely filled the gap in. We took this high, and then came back down. I'm trying to see if it could have caught this buy-in. Reverse here at 12:30. See what New York session did. 2:30 left behind a fair value up. 3 p.m. Seen the hourly. I think you could definitely have got this. Nice hourly invest. Yeah, 3 p.m. came down to fill in the gap and take this. It's fine. Monday did end up closing around here. Tuesday opened up. Going to the daily, I was talking about this fair value up. I was talking about this bearish value up, but we tapped into this inverse here on Tuesday. That actually held us high the day, and then we reversed, came down for these double lows, and then low of the week was just this sweep here. But before we get into that, Tuesday opened up around here, came down. London session, you could have got this sell. Mark out 8 o'clock. There we go. You can see this is OTE. You can see very nice fair value ups here. Very nice equilibrium tops as well. Sold off down to Monday low. Took this overbought swing. As you can see, this is where the steepness begins. And then reversed. And this was Wednesday. Wednesday opened up here, came down, accumulation. Nice little accumulation around here. Let's just make this orange. Nice accumulation, manipulate down. Took low of the day. Very nice sweep. And then yeah. Time was at 7:15, held as low of the day. Got the hourly, you can see very nice break block here. And yeah, very good reaction of that. I also want to say as well, it is almost like that was a very nice purge here. If I draw this out, you can see this could be considered RTO. And the next, as you can see, this row liquidity got taken, so the next row liquidity would just be this one. Yeah, you could have got this move up on Wednesday. You can see here 3 p.m. no, actually 4 p.m. comes back down just to fill it back up. This unmade great fairly ups here, and then carries on going straight to the first round liquidity. But yeah, coming to Thursday London session, let's see what happened. Nice little OTE here. I can just try to tell from these lows, 15-minute lows here. Low of the day would have been around here as well, but you can see I held very nicely OTE 11. Just carried on going till the drawn liquidity. So New York session did. Left behind this 15-minute bullish rally up, and 3 p.m. just respected it straight to the draw liquidity. And now this is the interesting part, because I did say last week that we can take this and then still respect this, and that's literally exactly what happened. So I just put an orange line here. You can see we took the draw liquidity literally 7 a.m. and started reversing literally at 11. You could have got this sell. I'm guessing 8 o'clock's right here. Yep. 8 o'clock opened. Did this very nice wick up and down. You can see he took it at 8.55. That actually held as high of the day now. Very nice taps here. You can see very nice value I've got respected here. Tapped into quite a lot of times. As well as this inverse. And then as soon as that happened, we just dumped all the way down. Probably till this low. Very similar to what happened last Thursday. That's just how market moves. But that was this week. Recap. If I just remove drawings, let's just remove drawing, makes life easier. Coming to next week, one by one, very similar things. Again, this high, 25k. Just pretend that's at 25. Where do I want buys from? I was watching this inverse get respected like previously in the week, so I'm hoping this move down was just a rebalance. And if I just see it on the daily and the weekly, I do see it go up. This week, I just want price to come down to this nice forward inverse. Where do I want buys from? Around here. Exact price 24.70. Why not? And then draw liquidity being this high now as well. But this high is a dangerous one because it's the fact that we swept up here and then closed down here. We could come for this low, but we're gonna see what happens, I guess. We can see how this holds up. Because we're in the middle right now. See, we're in a big range here. We're in the middle of the range. So we just gotta be patient. You know, we don't trade when price in the middle of nowhere. We trade when it's on the edges. So we can catch good moves. Anyways, that's the recap. Keep it clean and simple. See you next week.